Hey kids, today we are going to trace the alphabet, color the object, and then do an activity. Let's see the colors first. Red color, yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, and blue color. These are the colors. Let's get started. Which alphabet is this? This is the letter A. Let us trace it with red color. A. A for apple. A for ant. What is the sound of A? A, A, A. A for apple. A for ant. Now this is the object. What is this? This is an apple. A for apple. We will color the apple with red color. A for apple. What is the sound of A? A, A, apple. A for apple. We will color the leaf with green color. A for apple. Now let us find the letter A from these alphabets in this rectangle. Can you find the letter A? Is this letter A? No, this is letter M. Is this letter A? Yes. Now let us circle the letter A. Is this letter A? No, this is R. Is this letter A? Yes. Let us circle the letter A. Is this letter A? No, this is S. Is this A? Yes. Is this letter A? No, this is K. Is this A? Yes. Let us circle this A. Is this A? No, this is letter B. Now next to B, which letter is this? This is letter A. Very good. Now we have found so many letter A's. Let us again see. This is letter A. And this is the object which comes with letter A. Apple. A for apple. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. See you later.